Hello and welcome to HistoryPod. On the 23rd of February 303, Emperor Diocletian ordered the destruction of the new church in the ancient city of Nicomedia, marking the start of the Great Persecution of Christians. Diocletian was declared emperor of the Eastern Roman Empire in 284. Within 2 decades, he'd established a powerful tetrarchy of 4 rulers who began to restore order and wealth to an empire that had suffered a range of internal and external threats throughout the previous century. Christians were perceived by many in traditional Roman society to be a threat to the established order. Not only was the religion seen as a foreign cult, it was built on a monotheistic belief that directly undermined traditional Roman religion. Contemporary sources say that Diocletian himself was broadly tolerant of Christians in the early years of his rule, and indicate that it was actually the tetrarch Galerius who encouraged the introduction of persecutory policies. On the 23rd of February 303, Diocletian ordered that the newly built church in Nicomedia in modern Turkey should be destroyed, along with its scriptures. The following day, he published the first of 4 edicts that went on to strip Christians of their legal rights and the freedom to assemble to worship, and later demanded that they conform to established Roman religious practices, such as performing sacrifices to the gods. The persecutions continued for 8 years, during which time thousands of Christians were killed for their faith. Nevertheless, the religion survived, and shortly after Diocletian's death in 311, Galerius himself issued the Edict of Toleration, which legalized Christianity in the Eastern Empire. Constantine and Licinius went further in 313, and, following the former's emergence as sole emperor in 324, Christianity quickly began to spread across the empire.